welcome to the 2021 tax season. So the tax process is that Conscious Accounting is going to send you an engagement letter. You are going to review and sign that engagement letter, and then you'll receive an invite to your new client portal. If you've been with us in previous years, we used Ombio, and now we're using ShareFile, and all your tax documents have been migrated there. There'll be a tax organizer for you to complete once you get into that portal. And once you've completed that tax organizer and uploaded any other tax documents that you've received, we will then start your tax return. There'll be a 2-week turnaround time from the time that we receive all of your tax documents. And then when the return is complete, we will share a draft tax return with you for you to review. And at that time, you can ask us any questions that you have about the tax return. And then you'll electronically sign the e-file authorization form that allows us to file the tax return for you. And once that's signed, then we'll file your tax return. We are using a software called Practice Ignition to collect your payment information and have you sign the engagement letter. And we will collect a deposit up front, and then the remainder we will collect when the tax return is filed. For due dates, for S-Corps and partnership tax returns, March 15th is the deadline. And for individual and C-Corp tax returns, April 15th is the deadline. All information needs to be into us by the following dates, otherwise your tax return will be extended. So for S-Corps and partnership tax returns, February 15th, individual and C-Corps, March 15th. So we just don't want to rush through your tax return. We want to take our time and be very thorough. So in order to guarantee that we won't have to file an extension for you, these would be the times to get all those materials that we've asked for in by. And if you know right off the bat that you're going to need an extension, just let us know as soon as possible so we can process that for you. So who's involved? So this is our tax team, and we're growing. So this list will keep getting longer. But for now, we've got Robert Schaefer, who's an enrolled agent. He's our senior manager. Alexis Betters, CPA, who is a senior accountant. Tessa Anderson, manager of accounting services, and Mayan Alvarado, who is our client service specialist. So you'll be hearing from all of these people throughout tax season. We work as a very close team, so we will all be in this together with you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email our team at info@conscious-accounting.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you, and looking forward to a great tax season.